Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Monday, March the 27th, 2023, no, it's the additional of Saturday, March the 4th. Well, this additional is actually Sunday, March the 5th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the Tectonic with one star. Tectonic number 6185. 6185. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, and it's indicated with one star. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Do we have here a single box? I see here only one single box. It's already filled in with one. Next question. Do we have dual box? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes in this Tectonic. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box in the L shape. Here another quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill in. But when you see an L-shaped quadra box, remember that the inside box, is always a 5. This box can be a 1, and this box can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So one digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4. Alright. So one digit left in this quadra box for number 1. And okay. More L shapes. Here, an L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Same for the upside down L shape. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes in there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 and a 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. The 4. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 5. Well, 2 and 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be a solid 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. 1 and a 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Alright, 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. And now, these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore, because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Then these 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 that's left should be the 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. But also this box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Oh, 2 to 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Monday. We will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.